What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a video finally. I'm doing on my 81 Camaro. Took a break. Had lots of personal issues to deal with. But I lost my dad. Him and I put this car together. He's had it since I was 7. I got the car out of it. There's some stuff I want to fix on it today. I want to share it with you guys because the subscribers mean a lot to me too. Not just for the clicks and stuff. You guys have helped progress the channel. But today, we're fixing this radiator problem in this car. I got my own house. I got a garage. But the other Camaro is sitting right next to me, actually. Right there. So, it's alright. So, big block 468 on nitrous. Fixing the radiator, it's crushed on this side. Just going to beat the radiator support down. That's all you can do. But I'll bring you guys along when I start doing all this. Alright, so here's the old radiator out of the car. I got the new one test fitted in there real quick, not hooked up actually. So, yeah, that's the reason why that's getting replaced. Somebody got a little happy and knocked that corner up. But this fits pretty well actually. And I just need to knock that corner down. I took my fans off right there. Pretty smart idea actually, putting spade connectors on these fans. We gotta pull them off. But other than that, everything's going good. Alright, so here's an update. Got the new radiator in with the fans. So it looks like somebody was smart. Thanks, Dad. And put these on spade connectors where you just unplug them. We gotta pull the radiator out. Which is fine. Fine by me. I'll put some heat shrink on this thing though. And they do work, and it doesn't leak like that one did. But god damn, I need to clean this garage even more. So many stuff around. I haven't fired it up yet. I just filled it up and I dribbled a little bit. But that's a Summit radiator in there actually, and I'm not complaining because it fits pretty well. Pretty freaking well. And I'll be back to get a zip tie to hook that hose up. That's literally all I had to do was get this car running cool again, fix that damaged radiator that happened a while ago. Just never had time to get to it until now. Don't worry, there's stuff still gonna be going on with this car. It's not being pushed off. Like I said, there's nothing really I need to do on it besides putting the striping back on, and I do have a spare rear end, so when that one goes, we could just throw a 373 posi in it, because I'm not spending $3 grand right now on a 4.9-inch or a Moser 12 volt. I have the money, don't feel like doing it because my OG car's back. I love this car to death. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe. I don't know when the next video is gonna be out because like I said, buying my first house, I just want to make sure everything's paid on the house before I even start getting parts together for these cars. Next on the list to tackle on this is fixing the fuel pump situation, because I have a thing with electric fuel pumps that don't work or work half the time like this one did until I fixed that. But that wasn't my fault right there. This one, it's not my fault either. Dad put electric fuel pump on it, didn't do it the right way. I'm gonna fix it the right way. Nothing against him. He did it so he could just go to the drag strip and have fun. But this car's gonna get street driven like it used to. And I'm gonna make some good memories with this car. But like I said earlier, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment on what you guys want to see me do next. Yeah, and hopefully I'll start making more videos again after just the past 6 months of stuff I had to go through. I lost a girl I really loved, lost her, me being an idiot. I lost my dad. I wasn't ready to lose both of those people. But I hope you guys are having a good Easter. And yeah, I'll see you guys around.